Hey guys, welcome back with another video on our channel LearnWidGiggs. So the positive response from the last video that I posted last week only related to the job openings in Power BI, I have decided to continue the videos on it regularly, and I hope and wish you all be benefited from it and ultimately get the interview call. Please let me know in the comment box if any of you got the interview call. Okay, in this video also I would continue and show you some posts that I have collected from my network on LinkedIn and which I think are authentic, where you could apply for the Power BI as well as Azure positions. Okay, so please apply to those positions that I will show in couple of seconds as soon as possible. Okay, so let's see the vacancies now, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all my videos. Okay, so let's see the first vacancy that you where you could apply for. Okay, so there is an opening in Brillo. Okay, and the skills requirement is Power BI and SSAS. As I have told in my last videos also that if you have the skill of SSAS also, so it will act as an advantage for you in any company. So if you have the skill of Power BI, if you have the skill of SSAS and as well as SQL, you could apply, and it's for Bangalore location. It's a full time. Okay, and it's for the Brillo company. So you can go and send the connection request to this person, Ankur Arora, and this is the job description, or you can say the knowledge that is being required for this position, and you can apply for that. Okay, so please apply for this as soon as possible. Now let's move to the second job opening. So this is in EY. As you can see here, the technical requirements is Power BI and SQL. Okay, and the location is Gurgaon, Mumbai, or Bangalore. What you have to do, you have to send your resume to ashwarya.sundar@in.ey.com. Okay, so the experience requirement is 3 to 8 years. So experienced people only could share the resume, and the notice period being requirement is immediate to 30 days. That is, you all know that they want as soon as possible. Okay, so if you fall in the experience range 3 to 8 years, definitely you should apply for this position. Okay, now let's move to the third job opening. Okay, so here the requirement is for freshers to 5 years, 0 to 5 years experience is required. Okay, and the role is analyst, associate, and senior associate. Location is Gurgaon, Noida, Pune, Bangalore. That is pan India. Okay, and this is for Power BI team. Okay, so if you have the skill of Power BI, SQL, and SSR, you can go ahead and apply for this position. Send the resume to this email ID abhinav.sharma@extria.com. So this vacancy is for Extria company. Okay, so you can definitely apply, and I hope you get the interview call after applying. Now let's move to the fourth one, fourth vacancy. Okay, so here data engineers and data analysts are required. So if you are an Azure data engineer where you have the knowledge of ADF, Azure Data Factory, Synapse, and Databricks, you can apply for that. Okay, and if you have the ETL knowledge, like if you are well versed with one of the ETL tools like Informatica and all, SSIS and all, especially, then you can apply for this also. Otherwise, if you are a Power BI analyst, you can definitely, or as well as if you are a Tableau analyst, you can also go ahead. This is for KPI partners company. Okay, so you can go ahead and follow or send the connection request to this person and apply for the your relevant job opening. Okay, this is regarding job opening 4. Now let's move to the fifth job opening. Okay, so this is for analytics consultant for 1 to 4 years of experience, and the visualization skill is Tableau or Power BI. SQL as always mandatory, and the notice period is maximum 30 days. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to LinkedIn and follow or send the connection request to this person, Saundar Lakshmi, and then apply for your apply for the Power BI position here. Okay, now this was regarding job opening 5. Now let's move to the job opening 6th. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to go here and send the request to the Maria Pradeep. Okay, so here is the requirement for Power BI developers. Minimum 2 years is required as experience, and notice period is maximum of 1 month. And mandatory skills are Power BI and SQL. Location is Chennai. Okay, so as he has written here, please inbox me only if the criteria is met. Okay, so this is the job opening 6th. So this is what I wanted to share with you all. So I hope you like the content, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, with your colleagues, whoever you want, so that they can also apply in these positions. And I hope many of you get the interview call and ultimately get the job. Thank you and good luck.